I'll sing a song for you that my mother taught me. I think I was still in the baby carriage. We called it a perambulator. This is what she taught me to sing before I could walk. Tsar Nikolai, up for you mat. Zeina met weimen die has gassene gehad. A korva a blatte, an uitgetrente slatte, schmatte. Tsar Nikolai, up for you mat. And this is what it means. I asked her what it means, and she said, finally, when I was 3 years old and I was singing it on the street to show off, she said, it means, Tsar Nikolai, go tell your mother not to hit Jews. It hurts very much. And then she would tell him, and he would stop beating us up. So one day, a Ukrainian woman came and put her finger right on my face like that, and she said, don't you ever sing that song again. That song is full of dirty words, the dirtiest word you could ever think of. So I went home. I was crying. I was so scared. I went to my mother and I said, you made me say dirty words. You made me say dirty words. And she said, how should I know you would remember? You were only a baby. And this is what it really said. Tsar Nikolai, go fuck your mother. Look who you married. A worn-out rag, a tramp. Tsar Nikolai, go fuck your mother. And that was a song everybody sang.